right, well, here we are out somewhere new today, and we're at the Western Science Center, and we're gonna walk through and let you take a look. This is our first time coming out here, and we'll take a look at everything. Alright, well, here we are, and we're walking through today, and we're going to take a little look at everything. And this is the entryway as you walk in, and there's all these fossilized bones sticking out of the sediment there. So let's take you through and show you a little bit of everything they have here. Here's their little gift shop with a few different miscellaneous things here. Dinosaur 3D puzzle. And some snakes. Some cards. We got a few stuffed animals over here. Alright. Some refrigerator magnets, a few little snacks. And let's take you for a little walk through the museum. Layers of life. Some cool Native American bowls and stuff. Some really neat arrowheads there. Nice looking arrowhead.
Another fascinating section is the Hall of Archaeology, where you can see artifacts from Native American Lusitano culture and early settlers. This exhibit helps us understand not just prehistoric animals, but the humans who lived here thousands of years ago.
Wow, it's really cool in here.
This museum was opened in 2006 to house fossils and artifacts uncovered during excavation of nearby Diamond Valley Lake. The star of the show is Max. Max is the largest mastodon ever discovered in the western United States. Standing proudly in the main gallery, Max is truly impressive. Nearby, you'll meet Xena, a Colombian mammoth, and Lil Stevie, a mastodon still partially buried in rock. These Ice Age giants were discovered right here in Hemet during the Diamond Valley Lake project, making this museum a true local treasure. Created by artist Brian Eng of Living Relic Productions, this full-sized bust represents Dynamoterror, a Cretaceous tyrannosaur from the Menifee Formation in New Mexico. It includes detailed skin texture and coloration based on the latest paleontological research. And if you love dinosaurs, you're in luck. The Prehistoric Pathways exhibit highlights dinosaurs from New Mexico's Menifee Formation, like ornithopes and Dynamoterror. With life-size models and stunning paleoart, it feels like stepping back into the Mesozoic era. Located at 2345 Searle Parkway in Hemet, California. Operating hours are Tuesday through Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Last admission at 4 p.m.
Some really cool skulls of the mastodons.
This is one of the most interactive science museums in Southern California. The Western Science Center isn't just about looking at fossils behind glass. It's designed for hands-on exploration and engagement for all ages. Those skeletal outlines on giant metal frames give visitors an incredible visual comparison of the dinosaurs' actual sizes. It's not just about bones, it's about scale and presence, which really brings the prehistoric world to life.
Wow, take a look at that. That's really cool.
While the museum doesn't feature a full Tyrannosaurus Rex skeleton, it does showcase a notable juvenile T, Rex cast skull and jaw, and it's tied to local paleontological history. The skull and jaw are mounted within a circular exhibit area dedicated to Garbani's work. While it's not life-size, the display is rich in interpretive content and museum storytelling, the kind of exhibit that emphasizes the process of paleontology, rather than just the spectacle. Born in 1922 in Los Angeles and raised in the San Jacinto Valley, Garbani became fascinated with fossils at an early age, discovering his first ancient bone and spear point before he was 10. Though never formally trained, he developed an intuitive expertise in identifying fossiliferous rock layers and became known nationwide for his ability to unearth significant specimens, big and small.
If you like some of the stuff that we show you around here, let's get you back up and take a look at those.
I cannot believe that this is a juvenile. This skull is huge.
Show you some of these other skulls here. They've got an American black bear, a grizzly bear. Here's a polar bear. And the short-faced bear. And here's a few other skulls. Baboon. A giant ground sloth. Alright, well, we'll show you a little more here. Here's an ancient bison head.
Don't touch the monitor. Stop. Stop.
Some more fossils in there.
The Western Science Center offers a dynamic and engaging environment for children to explore science through interactive exhibits and hands-on activities. While the museum doesn't feature a traditional playground, it provides numerous opportunities for young visitors to actively participate in scientific discovery. Activities include fossil puzzles, science experiments, engineering challenges, and art science crossovers. It's ideal for interactive learning that changes with the seasons or special events. Admission is $10 for adults 13 and over. Seniors, $62 plus $8.50. Youth, ages 5 to 12, $7. Students, ages 13 to 22, with current ID $7.50. Children 4 and under, free. Active duty military with ID free.
Well, here we are today at Diamond Valley Lake, where we came out to show you where all the mastodon bones were found. And when they were digging this reservoir, they were able to find all those bones. And this is a really nice big lake. They have a facility over where you could take it in
buy bait and stuff like that. You can rent all the houseboats, pontoon boats, fishing boats. And they're building a really nice new dock system, it looks like here. They've got the crane out here doing some work. And we just wanted to show you where all the bones came from. So thanks for watching.